Good morning, humans. It is 11 o'clock.
There's joy, dress more like a boy, and come back as a line. Try a different lipstick.
It's a day off today, and I have tons of stuff I have to do. I have to put my clothes away, I gotta get rid of a pillow, I gotta put dirty clothes in the clothes basket, get those dolls out of their baskets, figure out all this. I think I might just wait on that though, I'm thinking now. Find a spot for the dolls until I find spots over here for them. And other things and doodads, and and clean my cat's litter boxes. That's on the list, and I don't care about that. That's not what I wanted. I wanted this clear. Thank you. No, that's not what I want. Oh my God. Clear. Thank you. Phone problems. First world problems. The one thing I did get done today, besides getting up and taking a shower, as you can tell, no painted face today. Just wasn't feeling it. But I need a day where my face is just makeup free. Was treat all the cats, which they have all been treated for fleas this month. Hey, how's it feel to be a domesticated house cat? It's pretty much how his brothers acts. Plus I have to go to the store evidently. Fun. It's just fun-filled day. I'm kind of hungry too, even though I just ate breakfast. Yeah. Taking a nap, Mr. Man? I just did the same too. It's getting later in the day, but it's brighter outside. It's nicer outside than when it was this morning. It was kind of cool and chilly. It looked nasty. I have been busy. I did do some cleaning up. I put my clothes away. There's some stuff around in my room, so I have a little more space. You shouldn't have fleas. Mommy treated you. I did that today. Treated all the cats. Took care of all the cats today. Just came back in my bedroom to, I have no idea what I'm doing in here. I think I'm updating my iPod. That's what I was gonna do. My face looks like pizza because I've been popping pimples. I'm a pimple popping queen right now, you could say. What else did I do? Got my laundry sorted. Those are my dolls that need to come out of their boxes still. But this isn't sorted behind me. I've been busy. I started working on my friend's Afghan again. I don't know what else I need to do. It's been very boring. Chill afternoon. I fell asleep working on my friend's after. Yeah, I know you're gonna die. Just okay. That's nice. I barely even started anything on it, but I wanted to put it down, get that up, plug in my iPod, so I can update it. That's what I just said. I've already said that. I'm repeating myself. That's not good. I'm losing my mind. Cute kitten. Ollie, Ollie, Ollie. Oliver. What are you doing? Okay, that sounds like a good idea. Oh, he sneezed on you guys. That's nice. What are you doing? What is this? Ollie? What? I have no idea what that was. If he wanted held or what. That's your brother. There's your brother. You better eat your food before he comes along and eats it for you. Gotta very possible that he could do that. I am going to bed. I wonder if that public family treat. Yeah, you would tell me that, bitch. I am going to bed. Even though I'm not tired, I'm just, yeah, need sleep. And sleep is good, and it's almost midnight, and I've watched Criminal Minds, awesome. I watched that stalker show. I hate shows where you figure out some things right at the beginning. Sucks, but anywho, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you had a good day. I'd had a good day of loafing and working on things, not spending all my time on the internet. That was nice. Still didn't leave the house except to go to the store. That's sad. I really need to get a life and get out of this room and stop spending so much time on kitten vlogs now.